Hello and welcome back. The first candle of the week is closing in 10 minutes, so we got quite a lot to go over. We'll do a regular setup scan today, but first we'll start on Bloomberg. To be honest, I'm not really seeing anything that catches my attention. No major headline risk that I can see. This is something, but not for now. Let's have a look at SPY. SPY is still strong on a straight upward trajectory. And it recovered nicely after the pullback. As for the dollar index, very stable. Let's get to the pairs. AD-CAD is open right now. I don't know who is in this trade. I am myself. This was an 8-hour entry. If you're in this one, you should have moved sell-loss a little bit by now because of the bottom point. Imagine if it moves from the bottom point and back up here. That would no longer be a valid setup. So your sell-loss can't really be there. Should move down somewhat. As for this trade right here, this is a potential I've had. It hasn't triggered yet. There's a new indecision candle forming. Here you can put in a new stop loss. This is actually a better, stronger decision candle because it's for the 1 day. Make sure you got your sell loss above previous highs, pretty comfortable one, and a nice entry to go with it. I'm gonna adjust this one after the video. This one I'm in as well. Now let's look at the pairs. This one broke out nicely, clean. Nothing here. Potential here. We're gonna discuss them at the end. I don't like drawing on old levels. I don't trust them that much. Interesting. Okay, let's look at the setups we found. It's quite a few actually. Let me close Steam and Telegram while I'm at it, in case I get messages. There we go. Here, let's look at the setups. So on this one, I'd be looking for a continuation. It is uptrending already. It has changed. It was in a pretty heavy downtrend. And trend reversal is in effect. You can see it's above 200 MA on the 1 day as well. Here I'd be looking for a continuation. Would have to see how the 1 day closes. We need another indecision candle, so this needs pretty specific guidelines. You could wait for it on the 8-hour and see what that looks like for tomorrow. As for the CAD CHF, I'm looking for this one to go up. This one would be a CR. I'm not particularly fond of BOs when there's double resistance with 200 MA in the SR area. As for this one right here, this is a breakout that looks like it's going to trigger any minute. Yeah. Oh, that's going to be some very high. Long time since we've seen these levels. It's going to go back to 2008 levels if it breaks through. Very interesting. So to summarize it, we got a breakout potentially forming here. We got a Sierra that I'm waiting for with the double resistance and a potential continuation right here. That is all I've got for now. Pretty interesting with 3 potentials. Keep in mind that the market slows down a lot in this period right here. However, it is not that slow right now. I don't see 3 setups as slow with 2 open. That would be, if all these triggered, that would be my de facto max risk. Max total risk is this the right way to say it? My max risk is 1%, but my rules book says max total risk at 10%, but I don't do that. De facto, it's 5 pairs. I don't want to expose myself more than 5%. Also, because it's so easy to hop above my 10% monthly gain limit as well if I'm in more than 5 pairs, because 5 pairs will draw me way over. With that said though, that's all I've got. Thank you for watching. Feel free to hop in the Discord. The Discord is free with nothing for sale there. If you got any questions, you can leave a comment on YouTube. I always answer comments. And that's all I got. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.